Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and sign up to Plex from your mobile device? This is the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and open App Store and search for Plex in order to make sure that you've downloaded and installed it onto your device. Finally, once you've done that, simply go ahead and tap on the open button. And now to sign up, all you need to do is just tap on the sign up button that you can see on your screen below sign in. So once you click on that, click on continue, and it's going to take you to this page right over here. Now this is where you can simply continue with Google, continue with Apple, or even just enter your email, create a password, and click on create an account. Once you do that, it's going to send you a verification code to the email that you've entered, and it's going to simply go ahead and create an account for you. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.